Hi, it's me, Yoshimi. Nice to see you again. And today I want to talk about healthy food. Do you eat healthy food every day? Okay, and what are the examples of healthy food for you? Yeah, they are healthy. I agree with you. And in the UPW seminar, there was a long talk about healthy dieting. And after hearing that, I'm feeling that I have to change my eating style. So today I'm going to tell you what I'm doing right now. And number one. Ta-da! Yeah, this is water. And what's in the water? Yes, lemon. Drink lots of water, if possible, with lemon every day. So we are said that drink a glass of water every 2 hours. So I'm now drinking lots of water. And yesterday I had time to go shopping and I bought lemons. Maybe after a half year or a year, because usually I don't buy lemons. I just use like bottled lemon. And this lemon is fungicide free. 防カビ剤がついていないレモンです。Fungicide or chemical free. And also, ta-da! Do you know what this one is? It's called 畑のお肉. Yeah, this is soy meat. Yeah, this is kind of like meat made of soybeans. 大豆からできてるお肉ですね. So I can substitute meat with this one. So that we eat less meat. So I can use this one for fried chicken, and also 煮物 is Japanese style. So also we can cook in the pot and many other things. But it is said that I need to put this one in the water and wait for 30 minutes. So yeah, I have to prepare before cooking. And there were some other kinds like fillet type, and this is minced type. And also I heard snacks are not good. So this time I bought rice crackers. I think they are much healthier. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.